bringing with it a chance of snowfall, and yes, travel issues right now already looking possible across the region. But before I get to that, let's go and take a look at the national weather perspective right now. We're just seeing some high clouds across West Texas right now. A few isolated showers off to our east. Not much to worry about right now, but all worries are turning toward this weekend as a potent weather system is beginning to take shape across the far northern Pacific right now. Expected to make shore across the parts of Oregon and Washington by midweek, and then dropping down into the desert southwest and then eventually into the South Plains area by later this weekend. But with that, we're talking cold air, and with it bringing the chance of snowfall across our region. So temperatures right now across the Arctic right now, some areas below zero in those teens as well, so some very chilly air, even those wind chills near zero or well below zero in some of those locations. Now, as far as snowfall chances go across the South Plains, that's where everyone's interested in, and I do anticipate some areas could see some at least some significant snowfall take place. But right now we're looking at a dusting to right around 2 inches of snow by early Sunday morning across Lubbock and most of the eastern South Plains. Could see more of a mix out here by early in the day on Sunday, right? And then looking toward our west, could see some heavy snowfall develop right along that Texas-New Mexico state line by early Sunday morning, and the conditions really go downhill expected by Sunday into latter part of Sunday morning as well as daybreak breaks out, and then by Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening could see right around a foot of snowfall across Lubbock, and portions of the western South Plains could see almost 2 feet out there near Clovis, and then looking at lesser amounts across the rolling plains. But here's the bottom line. These are just model forecasts. We're not looking at actual forecast snow amounts, but this is the picture that current forecast models are showing us right now, and something that we are beginning to use as guidance. So it's setting up to be a very active evening well across the state of Texas, this region, not only here at the South Plains. So travel issues a sure concern across all of the deep south, including us here in Texas. But looking at that snow beginning to take place as early as Saturday afternoon across the Texas Panhandle, could see about a mix here in Lubbock, and then as we head into deeper Saturday night into early Sunday morning, seeing all transition into snow, and then looking at a mix as far east as Abilene and Dallas, and then a cold rain across portions of southeast and central Texas. So downright messy travel conditions across the state as we head into post-Christmas. Now, potential impacts, this is what we are looking at right now across the South Plains, including Lubbock. We're looking at accumulating snowfall very, very likely across our region. Icy and snow-packed roads, a sure bet, so travel very treacherous across the region. And then looking at blowing and drifting snowfall as well, as strong winds develop with the system out of the north, bringing those wind chills down as well. We're looking at blowing and drifting snow. So near whiteout and blizzard conditions, a possibility across our area. Now for tonight here in Lubbock, we're looking at no weather worries out there, but a temperature right around 41 degrees. Quite mild for this time of year, but those clouds will hang with us, as well as those west winds out of the right around 12 to 24 miles per hour. New York extended forecast now. Heading right into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, we're looking nice out there. Lots of, at least the clouds and sunshine mix. High temperatures in those upper 50s, even mid 60s as we head into Friday as well. Temperatures begin, as well as the weather begins to take that nosedive as we head into Saturday afternoon as a very strong Arctic cold front moves through the area. Late in the day on Saturday, high temperature right around 48 degrees. Could see those temperatures fall all the way into the mid to low 20s by early Sunday morning. Near blizzard conditions developing as well heading into Sunday. We're keeping pops right now at about a 40% chance, but may have to increase those and bring down those temperatures as well. But just a messy weekend on tap for our area beginning Saturday night into Sunday, so travel is highly discouraged at this point. You can see blowing and drifting snow, significant snow, not out of the question right now. We will continue to watch the forecast for you, but heading into next week, conditions looking better as far as weather goes, but we will have to possibly deal with some icy conditions again on Monday and Tuesday morning. Get one more in. As we go ahead and take a look outside the Overton Hotel right now, seeing a pleasant evening across the South Plains. No weather troubles to worry about now, but as we head into this week, I'm going to go ahead and give you the weather headlines because we're talking not